Hey guys, and welcome back. For the past month, I've been taking extra care of my hair. I installed a low tension protective style and incorporated a mini greenhouse method to try and keep moisture locked into my fine, high porosity hair. While protective styling, my daily regimen starts with spraying my scalp with my hair juice. This juice is definitely a real time miracle as it helped my mom regrow her hair back in 13 days. The recipe will be linked up top and also in the description box below. This juice is formulated to heal your scalp, keeping it healthy, and to grow your hair. Make sure you check out the video because these results are no joke. I spray all over my scalp every single night, and then I use my scalp massager just to make sure there's well blood circulation flowing. Along with bagging my ends, when my scalp became itchy or flaky, I covered my whole head with a bag for a few minutes after spraying my hair juice. Then I would apply some argan oil mixed with essential oils to my scalp, bag it again for 20 minutes for extra penetration, and then massage my scalp. Even though my ends are wrapped in plastic, every 3 days or so, I feed my ends a cream mixture mixed with essential oils just to ensure I'm always adding back moisture and my hair will never go dry while I'm protective styling. Using the same hair juice for my scalp, I spray the braids, then with heavy hands apply the cream mixture from the midsection all the way down to my ends. And then I apply at least 2 to 3 more layers of the cream just to ensure that all braids are well coated. 15 days later, as much as I love doing my protective style, it was time to take down my braids to cleanse and hydrate. The process I really enjoyed as I really wanted to give my hair a break, which was great because I got to focus on the key parts, which is the scalp and the ends for me. Having a healthy scalp will help me to minimize my shut-in, help with new growth, and to protect my old growth. And of course, having healthy ends will help with tangles, breakage, and just keeping the length. I wasn't worried about my hair growing. I wasn't worried about frizz, tangles, or single strand knots. Nothing. This protective style gave me a real good break. What do y'all think? You think that's a lot of shut-in? Like, I know everyone's head is different, everyone sheds differently, but sometimes you just think you shed more times than others. But the next day I did go in with a hot oil treatment using Jamaican black castor oil. I did a full shampoo and a deep conditioning. You guys will see the results. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, guys.